Sikar, I already have a pin post, you know, the one that you're sharing multiple times. Actually, you can share it to different I did this, you know, the whole day. Now I reached 1.6, guys. Woohoo! 1.6 views. So I only need 8.4 to reach 10. To reach 10. Thank you, Sikar. Thank you. So, Papa wants to, Shadox. Okay, want to. I'm so happy. Oh, you know, it's like 10, woo, 10K views. Yes, bunso. Bungso. What you mean bungso, Predella? Oo naman, pwede, Gems. Oo, pwede mag-subscribe, Gems. Pero, Gems, okay, guys, if you want, to earn here in Facebook, turn on your professional mode. It doesn't matter, use your account. Gamitin nyo na yan. Account, and then, mag-create kayo na lang dyan sa account. Huwag nyo nang gawing, guys, huwag nyo nang gawing personal, okay? Huwag na tayo magladlad ng buhay natin sa Facebook. Mag-create na lang tayo ng mga, okay, just create. We have a lot of, okay, content in Waypool na magaganda. You know how to save and share that nice content in Waypool na pwede mong i-share dito sa Facebook. The only thing that you need to do, guys, is just put a sticker on top. Okay? Put a sticker on top. Oh, the youngest sister. Yeah, she is really nice and very talented, Predella Sikar. She created, you know, one of my promotional video.